Everyone, welcome back to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. And today, guys, I am feeling like doing a swipe. I haven't done one in a while. So what I have here is a 9 by 12 canvas, and I've taken some color swatches or samples and cut them up in various sizes. And I have some old business cards here that I've cut up as well in different sizes and a kind of different shapes, and that way I can get the type of point that I want when I do the swipe. So the colors that I'm going to be using today, guys, are my FolkArt 14 karat gold, my Artist Loft Acrylic Flow black, Artist Loft Acrylic Flow white, as well as my Ready-Mixed Metallic Silver. I'm also using some of this DecoArt silver that I've been experimenting with, that I'm in love with. It looks like it's glitter paint, really. It is super shiny. It's not as transparent as my pre-mixed. Nonetheless, it's shimmery and shiny, and I love it. So what I'm going to do today, guys, is I'm doing a color split on the canvas. I am doing the pre-mixed silver along with the black, and then I'm just going to use the various sizers that I have here to make some random shapes. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's just start. I'm not doing them all the same. I am just putting various lines of the colors in different areas because I just want various striations. I just thought it would be fun to try something new. Okay. And then I'm going to add some of that gorgeous shimmery metallic silver. Oops. Just tiny bits of it in various areas. I'm going to start off with a couple of the wide ones first. And I like to do my swipes random, which means that I don't always go in order. I find I get the best composition that way. And what I'm doing, guys, is flipping these over as well. Well guys, that was pretty simple and I absolutely love it. Swipes are so satisfying and I haven't done one in a while. So let's just take a look. You can see the shimmer of that DecoArt Americana metallic silver. I'm so glad I added that in. It's everywhere in the painting. I didn't get a whole lot of cells, but that's not why I do swipes. It's great when they show up. But for me, it's the striations and the movement, which I love and feel that it's part of every great piece of artwork. Must have it, at least for me. And I just love the colors And this is what I mean about the silver. This is just the premix on its own. Those are not bubbles. And it just naturally creates these lines. And it is so transparent, it's like glass. It's like it's floating. It so looks resined. I absolutely love it. And the color, the shade of it. But look at the movement. It's fantastic. I just love it. I love how the gold wraps around there. You guys are so not capturing the glitter and the shine in this. It is amazing. And then the fade out here with these shapes. Got some dimension there as well. Yeah, guys, this is absolutely fantastic. I'm very happy with this. You guys know when the song comes out. That's what that means. So once again, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Please take care during this time. If you like this swipe, if you've learned anything, and you love this as much as I do, please smash that like button. I appreciate it. It helps the video, but it also tells me, for the most part, that you've enjoyed the video and that you'd like to see more of this. So, until next time, guys. Bye.